Hello, welcome back everybody. Today I would like to share with you guys the Procreate, the beginner's guide to digital drawing on an iPad. It is dope. It comes with a lot of basic steps. It's got a bunch of projects in it so you could practice what you've read. The first one I did is an illustration project by Izzy Burton. Woo! Boy, it took me hours and hours and days and days and hours and hours and days, but I didn't give up. And so here you have it, part 1 of 2, the beginning sketching process. The time-lapse video is fast-paced for your viewing pleasure. So sit back, relax, and let yourself go. Wow, look at me breaking into rap out of nowhere. This is great. Can anybody guess the name of the song that just came out of my head out of nowhere? I put a little clue up on the screen. Let me know in the comments. Cool. Okay, so here it is. We're wrapping up part 1 of 2. As you can see, it was very smooth. Kind of putting together your ideas, informating the one concept, step by step, following the guide. So far, so good. See you soon in part 2, in which you will see this illustration completed with color, highlights, shading, and all. Again, thanks for hanging and peace.